Hey, Mita White here with a quick tutorial on how to build a newsletter on MailChimp. I've just logged in and landed on the dashboard. First thing I want to do is to create a campaign. And I'm going to do a regular campaign. Send it to my entire list. From here it looks like you run out of options, but actually they come down to the bottom bar and there's some options up here on the top. I'm going to click Next down here on the lower right. This gives me a chance to name my campaign. It can be something for your information, May newsletter, Southern Magic 2016 quarterly newsletter, however you want to do it. The subject line is what your recipients will see. So you might want to do something kind of catchy there. And then again, I'm going to come down to Next and choose a template. There's lots of different options. You can do single columns. There's some with doubles and even triples. I typically like to do the sidebar, which is down if you scroll to the bottom of the page. If you click right on the image, it'll give you a preview of the image. I'll do that very quickly. And you can see what it would look like on mobile or desktop. To exit out of preview mode, you click the small X, and to select the template, click the select button. It'll load. While that's loading on the left hand side, the side over here on the right is where you do all of the work. So these are content blocks that let you drag and drop over. So I think I already know I want to put a text box. It'll let me where to go. There, drop block here. When it turns blue like that, it'll let you drop it. And it automatically opened up that box, but if I'm not ready to type in it yet, I can just save and close, and I can go ahead and set up, if I want to do more images over on this side, I can do that. Save and close. So I can go ahead and set up my template if I know I'm going to add a video or an image card. These are fun. I'll drop it right here under the open block for content. So one of the first things I do, this little tiny area at the top, it turns black when I highlight it. When you don't highlight it, it says use this area to offer a short preview. So you can come in here and just give a quick little preview of what is going to be in your newsletter. When you've finished, you can save and close. Then next, I always add the header image. If you click on the box, it'll open it up and you can browse to upload an image. I've uploaded several into MailChimp already. If you need to go to your computer to get one, click the upload button here. But if you already have some loaded, like if you've loaded your logo, just come on down and click the select button and it automatically puts it in. A couple things, you can link it to, if it's like an image from a website, you can make edits. There's a big photo editor that's really nice. I'll show you that later. And you can also, if you decide you don't want to use this header, replace it with something else. Once you've got your image selected, save and close, you can, this little button here, edit your text. So you can come in here and type whatever you'd like. And then, excuse me, this has word processing elements here at the top, so you can bold, italics, underline, link things. You can left align, center, or right align. Fonts, sizes, colors, even. You can do all that from here. That's another thing you can find in the style box. It'll also give you a lot of those same options. I don't usually do them from style. I usually do them from the content box just because it's all right there. Once you have your information entered, you can hit save and close. Once again, this is a text box. You can upload an image. And if you upload it and it's too big, it'll give you this little yellow box warning. So it'll say, let's fix it. It brings you to the photo editor automatically. And let's see. It won't let me. Oh, it's because I'm using my, there we go. Resized it and hit apply. And then once you save that, it brings up all these other options if you want to do frames, overlays, stickers. There's all sorts of fun stuff. I think the frames, I thought I had messed with this before, but I can't find what I was playing with earlier. Anyway, I don't really want to add anything to this, but you can put text, you can do all sorts of fun stuff on here. You save it, and then you see your image here. This is what the preview of what your newsletter will look like, but this is where you'll make your changes. Come in and center align that maybe. If you decide, I want to spell sunset right, if you decide that you don't want the picture on top, you can go to settings, and it gives you some options for the caption position. You click the drop down bar, top, left, bottom, right. I like it on the bottom, so I'm going to leave it there. You can also change the alignment of your image if you like, and the number of images. You can add one more to that box. So this is a text box. You click on it, or this little edit button, and you can change your words. If you decide that you don't like the black background, settings is where you, no, I'm sorry, style is where you fix that. You scroll down a little bit, and it has the background color. You can remove it, or you can click on it and then choose, say you want it to be red instead, something like that. So there's lots of fun ways to play around with it. If you know HTML code and you'd like to enter some, you can use the code boxes. Just drag and drop them over here. The footer is already included, and it'll have the information that you've put in when you signed up. So say I've completed this part of my design and I'm ready to move on. I can actually preview it, preview and test, drop down, enter preview mode. You can see what it looks like. You can see it in the mobile version as well. If you want to exit the previewer, you just click the X. If you want to send a test email, which I usually do, I usually proofread in my test email to see if I need to make any changes, and I come back and make those. And then if you really like this template, you can save it, or you can choose a new one each time. If you're in the middle of working and you want to leave, you can save and exit and then come back and work on this later. But since I'm ready to kind of confirm my design, I can either click confirm or hit next, and it'll just move me to the confirm box. And here's where it shows me that it's going to go to all my recipients. The subject line, if I decide I don't like that, I can change it right here with edit. And I don't have social cards activated because I give special content to my newsletter subscribers, and if you're like a members only club or group, then you don't want to have social cards so that they can share it. Then you can either send or schedule. I would suggest scheduling. I just like to do that because, like, a lot of people, you know, read their email during lunchtime. So say I want to send it out tomorrow at noon. You can do that and then schedule the campaign. I'm not actually going to schedule because I don't want to send this funny little test to my recipients. But anyway, that's just a quick how-to on setting up MailChimp and getting it sent out. Thanks, and have a great day.